My name is Florence Solomon and I'm from Nigeria. I came all the way from Nigeria to Craft Tree Academy to learn how to make beauty products, and among the products I made are candles. I partook in the advanced level candle making. I also learned how to make hair serums and face serums. I learned how to make body product and baby products. I learned how to make aromatic blends, and I learned how to make soap. I had an awesome experience at Craft Tree Academy. The staff are all professionals, and the level of teaching is amazing. They break it down in such a way that you can understand. So I'll recommend that whenever you're in New Delhi, please visit Craft Tree Academy.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you too for an amazing learning experience.